Do you have any New Year resolution for your fitness? Friends, I remember that when I was in my early 20s and early 30s, I used to take a resolution that from this January upcoming year, I'm going to do something about my fitness. I'm going to give my time, I'm going to give my energy, I am going to be regular in my gym. I will not eat any kind of outside food. I will quit the sugar and many more them. But I was not able to do it. But the thing is this, that the only person who was responsible for my fitness was me only. I cannot blame on the New Year resolution or the other things also. But today I will give you some of the tactics or some of the reason behind that why you are not able to achieve your New Year resolution for your fitness. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert and I help people to reduce their stubborn fat. I help them to achieve their dream personality and I give them the tools so that they can achieve a extraordinary lifestyle. Friends, New Year is coming and we all have many of the stories. Some are the successful, some are the failures. Those people who fail to achieve their fitness, they can resonate with this and it will be the important video for them. Friends, there are many reasons behind that you are not able to achieve your New Year resolution on fitness, but trust me, it is not your fault. It can be the fault of the situations, it can be the fault of your slow metabolism, but deep down inside, we all know that we really want to be we really want to be fit in our life. But friends, there is a skill, like a skill that how we ride the bicycle. In the same way, achieving of the fitness is also a skill. Some people have inherited that from their families, but it is a skill. It is not even the fault of your genes. Friends, many of the time I have seen that many people just they take a resolution that from tomorrow onwards, from New Year, from after a week, they're going to do something about their fitness. But friends, always remember the number one thing which I would like to tell you, that don't take your fitness as a sprint. It is a marathon, it is a lifestyle where you need to adapt changes. Fitness is a part of your success, fitness is a part of your personality. If you really want to develop your personality, if you feel depressed, if you feel angry, if you have the problem of anxiety, just involve fitness into it and try to give your some time to your fitness. And always remember that fitness is not your destination. In whatever age you are, you need to be fit, and for that you need to enjoy your fitness. Fitness should not be the pain, fitness should be the enjoyment. When enjoyment is heavy in equilibrium, then definitely you will find the fitness is the part of your life. Friends, that's why don't compare that within the 3 months you're going to achieve your all the fitness. It takes time. It's going to change your personality, it's going to change your thoughts, it's going to make you successful in your life, it will going to make you abundant. So that's why it will also make you rich and more money and more karodpati in your life if you know the meaning of fitness in your life, because you cannot enjoy your life if you don't have the fitness. The second point is this, that the many people they do not have the knowledge about the fitness. They usually think that from, like I remember that I used to think that now I will cut off my diet, I will cut off my other things, and I will give so much time in my gymming. But it is not the right tactics. The right tactics is something different. The right tactics is the pure nutritious food plus the scientifically approved workouts can make you outside of this world. So that's why you need to apply this thing in your life. Friends, the third thing which you need to adapt in your life is that you don't have the belief on yourself. Let's say if I say to me that within a month I will become a 1 crore rupees owner, maybe I can be wrong. Why I can be wrong? Because my subconscious mind will tell to me that you are telling a lie. That's why in the same way you have failed earlier with the same tactics. You failed earlier with the same approach. That's why you don't have belief that what are the new approach you need to apply in your life. That's why you don't have the good belief system. But believe me that it can be changed if you work on the small goals and be consistent on your goals. Because small goals going to if you achieve your small goals, it's going to give you confidence that you can do so much about it. Friends, so these are some of the 3 reasons which I have found out that why people fail to achieve their new year resolution of fitness. Now friends, if you want to start your fitness journey, then I have brought to you a 5-day WhatsApp classes where you are going to know about the fitness, workouts, meditation, diets and many more. We are going to meet live also at 7 a.m. We are going to start our workouts also together. So friends, if you can resonate with any of this, then I'm giving you the link below in the description so that you can start achieving your fitness journey. Friends, that's all for now. This is Bhupendra signing out for now, and all you just need to know your fitness, and let's meet on the other side.